And you always say to examine yourself.
Hey my loves, thanks for stopping by again. I hope you're doing good. This tutorial is on how to do a flower bouquet at home. Everything I used was purchased on SHEIN and the link will be in my description. So let the class start. First, you need your fake roses and your gypsophila or your baby breath flower in a bunch. So you want to tie this with a clear tape or a clear elastic. And then when you've done that, you want to fold your paper, the wrapping paper, you want to fold it in a triangular shape, but you're going to fold it in a slanted way. You're not folding it equally, right? You fold it slanted, and I'm going to give you a closer view of how I did that. So why we are doing this, because you want to have that triangular shape that a regular bouquet will have. That's what we're doing. So take a close look at it. You see how it's slanted? Exactly, that is what we want. So over here, I'm just trying to flatten out the bottom of the paper because you want your bouquet to be neat, right? So remember we had it in a rectangular shape. Yes, now you want to fold like you want to get a square, but instead of you folding equal, you want to fold it in a slopey direction to get that shape. And then you take your tape. You can use a double-sided tape. I had a clear tape, I folded into two to tape down the side I know it could lift up. So that's what I'm doing, taping out each side I know that it could lift up, and I'm going to give you a closer view of where exactly I did tape. So that is where I did tape. Can you all see the vision? Can you see it's coming together? Okay, so I made like probably 6 or 7 of this. Quick review: you fold in a slanted rectangle, you fold again like a square, like a sloped square. After that, you tape the sides, and that is it. Boom. When you're doing yours, be creative with your own flower bouquet. Look for inspirations, look for other designs. You don't have to make it this size or this particular color, okay? This could even be a business idea for you. Like you can start selling flower bouquets coupled with gift items. I bought all of this for less than $25 US, which is like equivalent of 3,800 Jamaican dollars. So you feel me? Yeah. This is me apologizing because I lost the clip where I was wrapping the bunch of flowers around the paper. So I'll try my best to explain as much as I can so you can understand. So you're going to lay your wrapping paper on a flat surface. So this could be 2, 3, or 4, depending on how big your bouquet is. And then you put your flower in the center of the wrapping paper. So one side is facing the wrapping paper and one side is facing you, right? After you've done that, you wrap it and then you do same to the other side as well, and then secure it with a tape. That is it. And you can be creative with yours. Honestly, you can get a glitter spray your flowers to give you that razzle dazzle. Okay, and that is it. I was contemplating if I should remove the baby breath, but I left it. I'm glad I did. So we're going to wrap the stalk now. The same paper in a rectangular shape. This time around, it has to be equal. Okay, just wrap it around to cover the stalk and then tape it to secure it. So right here, I was just taping the inside of the wrapping paper because I wanted it to have this clean, elegant look. And after that, remember I secured the wrapping paper I used to wrap the stem with tape. I concealed that by creating a bow with a ribbon. And that was it. I used to take pictures from our birthday and it came out looking really nice. It was nice and I'm glad I saved my money.
Okay, my dear, I hope you are doing good. I hope at this time you're watching this video, you're alright, you're good. Stock. Lately, I've been learning some things like every day. These days, honestly, I just find myself learning a lot of things, and I'm so grateful that in this stage of my life, I am grateful that I'm learning these things, and this knowledge is coming to me. There's this word we always say, and you always say it too, and we always say, oh, we learn every day. Yes, we do learn every day. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, definitely. But how has that word made such impact? Made an impact in your life? I was reading a book the other day, and the book was saying, the book didn't specifically say this way. Honestly, I'm just paraphrasing it. The book was like, once you go to school and you graduate, like you go to uni and graduate, you go to high school and you graduate, I think that's where learning stops. Like that's a very dangerous mentality or dangerous mindset, because you learn every day. And when I'm saying we learn every day, I'm not saying it in the cliche way we always say, oh, we learn every day, we learn every day. No, that's not what I'm saying. Which area of your life do you think that it just feels dormant? It just feels like nothing is going on, nothing exciting, you don't see any different results? Like, because you are not learning, you're not doing something different. Which area of examine yourself? Yes, you examine. Is it when it comes to your finances? Are you just collecting money, spending it on you budget, you do your collect your salary, buy this, buy that, and nothing about your finances is just there? Like it's just there, like it's not there. Or your relationship with people is just there, like nothing exciting, no different result. And it just made me realize that if you keep on doing things the way you know how to do it, you will not get so much result, because there are other ways and there are better ways to do things. That's why you have to learn every day. And that's where I'm come from. I hope you do understand me. But like, you learn every day. So I came to realize that when it comes to my finances, I need to learn some things, because honestly, when you go to school, they teach you in school that when you go to school, they teach you that get a good job and then start making money. When you make money, you buy this and buy that and buy, but they don't teach you some other things. That's why you need to read books. When it comes to relationships too, nobody tells you this is how you do things in a relationship. I'm not just talking about relationships with your boyfriend or your girlfriend. I'm not just talking about your relationship with your husband or your wife. I'm talking about your relationships with people as well. People at your workplace, people, your friends. There are things you don't know about maintaining a relationship. That's why you need to learn. You need to learn so much things on how to do stuff. You don't learn everything in school. You need to learn about life in general. Honestly, that's why we need to continue learning every day. So what steps, I'm asking you, what steps are you taking to learn some things? Like, what are you doing? For me, let me speak for myself. I'm not going to say, I'm the best, I'm learning. No, I'm not saying that. I just started reading books too. On finances, marriage. I just started reading books to learn different things. And it's not even about reading books alone. You can go for seminars, you can go for conferences. We learn every day. So what am I saying to you? Don't let your learning stop in the walls of the classroom. Don't let your learning stop, because I've graduated, my learning has stopped. Don't let it stop there. There are many things you can learn. There are many things you have to learn, even for life. For your life, for you to see something different, for you to get a different result, there are many things you need to learn. Yes. Is who I'm talking to. I'm talking to myself too, so don't get me wrong. But there are so many ways you can learn. Honestly, in this generation that we are now, social media has made a lot of things easy for us. Understand? So what are my conclusion? Don't let your learning stop. Take active steps. Take steps to ensure that you are learning, and that's what I'm trying to do. And I pray God help me, in this whole learning thinking. But let me know what you're learning. Share with me areas of your things, areas where you're learning, things you're learning. Share with me. Share in the comment section. Let me learn from you. Learn from you. I already told you about myself. I'm learning to learn. So my dears, that's what I have for you today, and I hope you do enjoy the vlog. Let me know what you would like to see again. What other kind of vlog you would like to see, and comment, like, subscribe, share. Bye. Love you. Mwah.